Alright, welcome back guys to final week of the final week of January, which is week 5. So I just want to go through what we have on EU on a monthly time frame is bullish, but when we go down to see what we have, EU mitigated this demand other block, I think. Yes, this 3 months other block. Yeah, EU mitigated it, so we are in this zone presently. So on the monthly time frame, this was the last supply was taken out. Okay, so we had a break of structure to the upside. We have also a break of structure, and we entered into the supply zone. So in this supply zone, we created a choke and we visited the other block, which is rally drop, which is rally base drop. So this base here, you can see it from here, or you can actually take the low, but I like taking the full body candle so that when I go down to a more lower time frame, I'll look for entries. So from this candle, I'm expecting this to drop all the way for the month of January, and if price should come in here, I want to see probably bullish movement here. So, and that will take some time. So let's go down to weekly. So on the weekly, still at this particular zone, you know, we have this OB to be in charge presently. So this was the initial movement of this demand, and we have an unmitigated demand here. We have this supply that was reacted to. Here has the liquidity of the sell side, and the OB that took out this demand was later mitigated. This one was later mitigated also as the break high. Price tapped into the supply and changed its direction. We revisit the OB presently, and we are currently heading down for this monthly BOS. But along the ways, we still have some unmitigated demand. So what are my views? I'm looking at price coming into here like this, and we head for this monthly low. We already have a choke, so we don't need a choke here anymore. We just need price to either take this out or react here, but we know that we are coming back to this drop. When price entered into the supply, we have the first drop, base drop. So we want this base to continue, then price should revisit it and we head for the down flow. So on the weekly, I'm not expecting my weekly high to be taken, so I'm expecting my weekly low to be taken. So let me just label my weekly. This is weekly high, WH at the top, and here my WL on the bottom. So I'm expecting price to sell off this week. I want this week to take out this low. So this is my view for this week. Price should take out this low and probably revisit this zone and sell off. So let's go down to daily and let's see. So on daily we have this is the last BOS, this is the last structural low that took out this high. So we are heading for the demand in here because we are in a supply now, so we are expecting this demand to apparently fail. That's the expectation. We are expecting this demand to apparently fail, and price had a drop here, base here, and drop. This base would have been this candle here, but we have a more full body candle here, and inside here before the drop we have price related inside before price took it out. So price came back after we have the daily choke, the break of structure. Then price, after this break of structure, price came back, took out all this liquidity high, this buy side, entered into the OB, and price is currently selling off. So we are still expecting price to sell off, but price came back inside these candles OB again on our 4 hour. So on 4 hour, so on 4 hour we have trying to zoom in so we could see what's going on. Okay, so this is where we are. This is our daily drop base drop. Price took out these highs, came into, and we have a break of structure here. Price came back to this drop base drop again, and price is selling off. So I have this double bottom here as a liquidity, so I'm targeting this liquidity to be taken first, and we'll look at what happened inside this OB, this daily and 4 hour OB, because there will be a lot of reactions from those OB. So presently I'm just expecting market to continue. I'm just expecting market to continue what it has. I'm just checking on my trade because I have my sell here, and you know how market used to open, market might still visit this sell, so I want to quickly break even on my sell so that if market revisit this OB I can still resell. That's just my main target. So if I could, I'm in profit here, if I could just break even around here on this candle, then if market should revisit this OB, I will find a re-entry to take out this. But I already knew that market will take out these highs, tap in here, and market must take out this low before any retracement. So when market got here, I dropped some signals that we are to take out this low. We have to take out, yes, this low. So Asian session took out this low, and Friday London session took out this. I took some loss here though. I didn't take this buy, but it was after which I took some loss, and I realized that I was the cause of the issue. Why? Because this sell had already done his job by taking out this major low. This is the major low. and it has been taken out. And when this major low was taken out, I knew that price should go back to the OB, but I made a mistake. I was looking for sell opportunity here, which has done its job already, so it becomes a buy side liquidity, especially with this buy side here. So when I saw, I took some sales here. I was taking out, and I was just upset with myself that what happened. Why did I miss the opportunity here? Then I realized that, oh, I was the one that said it already, that this is the major low that should be taken. And when price entered into this 15 minutes and 4-hour order block, the main target was this low, but it couldn't break that low that same day. But the Asian session that night broke the low. So London session was to push price back to this 4-hour OB, and which it happened swiftly. What did price do? Price entered in here, push price up. Price entered into this 15 minutes that took out all these highs. This guy here took out all these highs. Price tapped into it. I didn't get the sniper entry though. I got my entry. I didn't get this entry because I was not on my seat then. I was I think I was somewhere. So I think I got my entry immediately after this 1, 2, 3. I entered. My stop was above here. So I really want to put my stop here. I wish price can come back here so I can get a good entry. And you know how price does this thing. It might not get back in here and drag until it TP. So my observation now is to see this low get taken. If this low get taken, the major thing is we are still heading downward, but we need to take out something. We need to take out at least this low. Then inside there, I'm not expecting bullish movements. What I'm expecting is a reaction that will take out this zone, that will bring us down to this BOS, this monthly BOS here. This liquidity needs to be taken out. So this is the first touch, second touch. On this third touch, I'm expecting it to go off and come here. So I'll be loving if I'll see I would love to see some hold on sales, but you have to be extremely careful though, as price might does this thing. So if you had gotten a good entry here, it would have been fine to hold, but from all this zone now, price needs to chop some things out, chop this out, come back and chop this out. So whichever entry you find, just know how to break even on time. Alright, I think that's that on EU for this week. So I'm expecting to see this demand fail for this week. I'm still very much bearish on EU. Thank you for your support, your love, your likes, your subscription, and I'll keep doing more and doing more. Thank you guys. Do have an amazing and profitable week. See you guys next week. Remember, NFP is on Friday. Trade carefully and try to break even. Bye guys.